This 2022 Forest River RiverStone 442 mega-coulombs is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 44 feet 4 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleeps 6, TV, auxiliary battery, microwave, external shower, leveling jacks, DVD player, smoke detector, Colorado detector, slideout, refrigerator, and 79 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River RiverStone 442 mega-coulombs is 19,131 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.